Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting essentials out of the way. Charge the Hero 11 to at least 50% and back up the SD card so you don't lose shots. Once done, power the camera on and enable wireless. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active on your phone. Open the GoPro Quick app or prepare a computer with a USB cable. This first step prevents interruptions and explains why stability matters. Updates need power and a clean file system to complete successfully. You now locate and apply the firmware. Pair the Hero 11 with GoPro Quick or connect via USB to a computer, then grant any requested permissions. This lets the software inspect current firmware. Once the update appears, tap Download. Make sure to keep the camera awake and the connection stable. The app writes files to internal memory, then installs them. That's why you must not disconnect. If progress stalls, wait a few minutes before deciding to abort, because the camera is verifying files. You complete the process by letting the camera reboot and then verifying the firmware version in settings that confirms success. Once rebooted, make sure to test recording, photo capture, and stabilization to confirm functionality. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Try reinstalling using a freshly formatted SD card and the manual update file, or switch USB cable and port. If the camera won't boot, perform a safe restart and retry the manual method. This often resolves interrupted install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.